Ayun, once again, it's Architect Gino Conisma of Daily Science Studios, and we're here to present to you our recently completed project here at Palmera Springs 1. So come on, let's see inside. Here at the parking area, you will see here a partly covered garage which can fit one car. And this house has actually a unit with 114 square meter of floor area, having a 75 square meter lot area. As you can see, this is a duplex house with typical design beside each other. So this house has a 2-bedroom with provision for guest bedroom. And the main attraction of this house, or the main feature of this house, is the atrium, which you will see inside when you go upstairs. So come on, let's head up and see what's inside. Alright, here we're currently here at the living area. As you can see, the layout is a studio type, open planning type, where you can see from the main entrance leading to the laundry area is a straight layout without any obstructions. And the layout of the staircase, it's a straight staircase which gives us freedom and flexibility to have a TV in this side and a sofa in this area, while having the dining area in that part and side of the house. So that wall behind there is a guest bathroom and aluminum type kitchen. Come on, let me show you what's inside the laundry area. The laundry area. Let me show you that we have here a guest bathroom with isolated type of lavatory with mirror and cabinet at the same time. So behind me, from there you will see it is finished with ceramic tiles from floor to ceiling and a single type water closet. And behind me is showcase kitchen, where you can have a fridge in this side, stainless type sink with backsplash all the way from the top to bottom, and an aluminum cabinet. So aluminum cabinet is very flexible and doesn't allow ceramic to come in. So on this side you will have a stainless backsplash for the range. So there's no problem for cleaning at all. It's easy to maintain. And let me show you what's in the laundry area, service area. In here we have a dirty kitchen, a water tank system, elevated in steel frame. Okay, now we're here at the staircase, which will lead to the second floor area. Come on. By the way, this staircase is finished in a wood corner. It is an Oral Plata compliant staircase. Let me just show you the first bedroom, one which we call the master bedroom. It is fitted with a built-in cabinet, balcony for the air conditioning with its own faucet, PVC ceiling system with cone deck design, and a window on this side. So it's a very huge windows. And this is a modular cabinet on this side. Let me show you the sliding door, which will lead you to the balcony. It's a mini balcony which is secured with a steel balusters. It's a metal grill for protection. And here you also have a ceiling which is made out of spandrel ceiling and wood color design. By the way, this glass in here is a reflective glass type which will not allow you to be seen from the outside. Let us go now to the family area. This space in here is what you call the family area, which can also be turned into a guest bedroom in the future. I would like you to see here is the atrium type of approach. It is open from this level up to the sky. So this atrium provides a fresh air ventilation for the whole house. So kapag nandito ako sa bahay na to, talaga napakalamig. And it's very relaxing and very well ventilated. Now let me show you again the high ceiling system that we have. See, this high ceiling can house 2 floors or an additional bedroom in the middle. In the future, if you wish to have another bedroom or an extra bedroom in the future for your family, then you can easily convert this level and make it aside as your extra bedroom. And see the high ceiling system, you see there is no window on 2 opposite sides, which provides a well ventilated light ventilation in the house and a very fresh air that circulates all the way to the house. So right next to the atrium system, which is very cool, let me show you the shared toilet or shared bathroom with shower, water closet, and a lavatory system. So again, it's finished with ceramic tiles and a wall floor tiles from floor to ceiling. Second bedroom of the house, and it's again having its own window on opposite side. So this window provides you a well ventilation and a fresh air to come in. And on the other side, you would find here a built-in cabinet where you can house lots of clothes. So this space will be enough for you to have and hang all your clothes in there. And one thing to notice is this ceiling as well in cone design, cone light effect. So it has these 4 lights with cone light, strip lights all around, and a central light in the middle. So it's very high. It's 2.4 meters high. So right now we're already showing you all the features of this house. Let me show you again. Let me tell you again that this house is located in Palmera Springs 1 subdivision, Camarin, Calauan City.